deciduous forest is one of the three major biomes found in the state of Minnesota. It runs in a band from northwest to the southeastern corner of the state. It is sandwiched between the coniferous forest biome to the northeast and the prairie to the west and south. This biome gets its name from deciduous trees, which are trees that drop their leaves each year. Is that it has four distinct seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Most deciduous forests have mild summers, averaging about 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Summer months usually begin in early June and end in late August. Winter months don't begin until December. Winter temperatures are fairly cool, with an average temperature of a little below freezing. Consider going during the spring, because you will be less likely to have to deal with temperatures below freezing. Others even say that the best time to go there is during mid-August, because there is a lower chance of rainfall, and the peak of summer has just passed, perfect for outdoor activities. In the temperate deciduous forest, it is best to wear casual shorts, sweaters, jeans, t-shirts. Also take with you a rain jacket and a good pair of sneakers for protection.
Black bear is the only species of bear in the state. They are generally restricted to forested areas. They follow their noses and use their mental maps of the landscape to locate food sources, which are in a constant state of flux from season to season and year to year. And another, one of the famous birds in America, the bald eagle. It is the second largest bird of prey, with a wingspan of 1.7 to 2.4 meters or 5.6 to 7.9 feet. The white head and tail and contrasting dark brown body of adult bald eagles are diagnostic of this species. Another bird is the great gray owl. Minnesota is at the southern edge of the range of this huge secretive northwoods owl. You might be able to see it or hear its distinctive deep-voiced hooting near the Canadian border. They are sometimes seen farther south inland, the largest owl in North America. The great gray owl has large rings around its yellow eyes and two white patches near its beak, making it look like it has a snowy mustache. It lacks ear tufts and has a long tail and a relatively large head. Tiger salamanders are fairly common throughout much of Minnesota, occupying a variety of habitats.
Let's take a look at some of the plants you can see in a deciduous forest. Here are some of them. First is the Fagus grandifolia, commonly known as the American beech. It grows in the southern and eastern parts of the United States. This next plant is common in house gardens because many people use this to decorate their homes. Lady fern is not only found in the house but also grows in wild, especially in deciduous forests and taiga of North America and Eurasia. Finally, the white oak with its scientific name Quercus alba. The oak's tree seeds are commonly known as acorns. They are small oval-shaped nuts with a cap, and they are mostly eaten by squirrels, chipmunks, and deer. So there you go guys, I hope you know what kind of plants to expect in a deciduous forest. Here are some things you should never forget in your deciduous forest trip. Dark glasses, sunscreen, insect repellent, pocket knife, fire starters like waterproof matches and candles, flashlight, first aid kit, whistle, map, compass, and cell phone.
There are a lot of activities you can do in the Minnesota forest, like mountain biking, canopy, and snowmobile walking.
Now, you're all set for your trip.